So for this, let's take a long thread. So I have folded it in a two, so one side will have a fold like this. This is called a loop, and this has two open ends. So now next is, I'll just cut this short, keep it even. Let us thread the needle. I am using a needle threader. I'll push it here. I'll pass these two ends through the loop in the needle threader like this. Take around 1 or 2 inches down, and then you take your threader out. So now my needle is threaded. Pull the thread down, just taking it off. So at this point, this is my loop and this is the other end of the thread. See that your loop side is a little longer than the other open-ended side. Next, let us go to the place where we have to stitch. So this is where I need the stitch to be, this one. So I will insert my needle down, take it down, pull it down. Now you can see that the loop part is here. I bring it to the other end of the half crossed. I bring it here. So, and then I take out my needle from under the fabric, and I'll slowly put this needle through the loop. Okay, you can see this is what happens. Now I'll pull the thread down. Now what I'll do is I'll insert, now here the loop is here, I will put my needle down the same hole through which I took it out to the top. Okay, and slowly take it down. Now once I pull it down, the loop has actually gone down. I'll show you. So sorry, this is the stitch. So this is the thread. I'm sorry, there is an extra thread going on here. This is the one. So your thread is secure here. Now go back and finish the other half cross stitch. Yeah. Now your thread is secure, it will not come out, and you can continue a stitch like this. And so on. Now I'll do this. So we can continue a stitch, and this is how you do a loop start. Thanks for watching.